Today we are going to learn the statement of changes in working capital. It is an exclusive part when we prepare the fund flow statement. Fund flow statement answer starts with statement of changes in working capital. Even in many question papers, they can also ask like 5 marks questions from this area. So when we prepare the statement of changes in working capital, this is the format which we are going to follow. One particular column and 2 years data will be given in the question. Here I have taken the example of 2020 and 21. So whatever years they have given, that we will write in an ascending order. Say for example, if it is given 2021 and 2022, then I will write it this way. Okay, then next two more columns we will give increase as well as decrease. So in the statement of changes in working capital, the speciality is we will take only the items of current assets and current liabilities. Okay, so these items will be given in the balance sheet or randomly in the question. From that we will be picking only the current assets and current liabilities. Now, when we prepare the statement of changes in working capital, this is very important. That means current asset has same action and current liability has opposite action. So what is the same action? When current asset is increasing, we will write that value in which column? Increase column. Okay, when current asset is decreasing, we will write it in the decrease column. That's what it is called as same action. All right. So what is same action? When current asset is increasing, we will write in the increase column. When it is decreasing, we will write in the decrease column. Same way, when we come to the current liabilities, we will follow opposite action. What is this opposite action? When a current liability is increasing, say for example it is increasing, amount is increasing, but I have to write in the opposite column. So I will write it in the decrease column. Same way, when the value of current liability is reducing or decreasing, okay, value is reducing or decreasing, so I have to do the opposite action. So I will be recording that value in the increase column. So every time you have to remember these two things, and here randomly I have written the values of some current assets as well as current liabilities. Question I am not sharing, just I fill the values of current assets and current liabilities randomly. Okay, so we are going to see the items are cash, stock, debtors, all these are current assets, and creditors, bills payable, these are the current liabilities. Okay, so first we are going to see the current assets. We'll see what is the impact of this current liabilities on your working capital. Current assets, what we learned, same action. So whenever you are writing the amount column, you have to be very careful. You will be writing it in the ascending order. Okay, so I'm checking the value. First year it is 50,000. Next year it is 60,000. What happened to the value? There is an increase. So I have to write in the increase column because it is same action. So how much it is increasing? 10,000. Next case, first year it is 3 lakhs, second year it is increased to 4 lakhs 50,000, increased. So same action. How much it is increasing? 1 lakh 50,000 rupees. So I could write that figure here. Next one, it was 4 lakhs, then it is reduced or decreased to 3 lakhs. So when it is decreasing, same action I have to do in the decrease column. How much it is? 1 lakh rupees. Alright, so this column I can put nil, all these columns. Alright, next we are going to see the current liabilities. For current liabilities, what we have learned, opposite action. Okay, see, first item is creditors. Creditors was 20,000. Second year it is reduced. Value is reduced or decreased. I have to write in the opposite column. When value is reduced, I will write in the increase column. How much is this increased? 10,000. All right. Then next one, bills payable. It was 50,000. Now it is increased to 70,000. Value is actually increasing, but I have to write in the opposite column because it is a current liability. So amount of difference is 20,000. Now when we do the balancing figure in this, these last two columns are very important. It is just like how you will balance a ledger. Take this last two columns. When we take the total of these two columns, which column is having the highest value? Increase column is having the highest value. 1,70,000 you will be getting. So we could write 1,70,000 here in both the places. Okay. Now here I will be getting a balancing figure because here total is only, decrease column total is only 1,20,000. So balancing figure will be coming as 50,000. So what we could say, there is the balancing figure of 50,000 which is happening in which column? Your decrease column. Okay. When we have a balancing figure in the decrease column, what does it mean? You have excess amount in the increase column. This increase column and decrease column is actually showing your increase in working capital as well as decrease in working capital. Since your balancing figure is coming in the decrease column, I have to write it as increase in working capital. Suppose if I am getting a balancing figure in the increase column, what I will be writing? I'll be writing decrease in working capital. Opposite I have to write. Okay.